The food is ready and I'm going to eat now. Here is peas, chili, orange, cabbage and mustard leaf. Let's eat. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare chicken and pork for Christmas feast. So first I'll cut the meat and I'll cook. Yeah. So cut the bone. Ito boleh busuk.
그래서
Rồi là cho dưới nó có gì hả?
대부다네.
Anh thế, ở dưới tôi biết được
그래서
hả?
that would be tasty.
Yeah.
Je beviazo. 저 어떻게 해야 되죠?
Phải là this.
에이.
Happy birthday.
저 카르피라면 시.
또 처음에 비 혼다. 또 처음에는 저저 어디도. This is pig head. Yes. Hey, 저저 몇 티래?
밈 해외.
이거 이때 바꿔와.
오이. 테스트 바우니스나나 해다.
Usually we used to cook from the gas, but today we will cook from here. The taste is better, nah? If you cook in fire. Wow. Oh, dear. This is what we put more. Wow. Check out some power. Check out power, nah? Ito so. Oh, itu bol hoise. Aji tu pure Naga style de pakawa. Wow. Tudu. Wow. Itu tu olta kuribo. Good for some time. So then I'll put ginger, garlic, matcha, olive.
오케이.
Hello, ito kanto monso local pork. Now making dry. Oh shit. I'm going to eat food. Yes. You can eat Raja. Baby Raja, this is for daddy, okay? And me.
어떠러서?
Can you open this again?
It's very hot.
eat.
Wow. Hey, it's done.
와우.
ăn đây cái bé cờ share gì đó
Here.
오, 여기. 앉지 않다. 앉지.